Today we're going to review the Trail Ridge tow mirrors. They are stated to fit a 2007 to 2014 F150. My rig is a 2011 Super Crew with a 6.5 foot bed. These mirrors are power. They have blind spot mirrors, heated. They have the turn signals, and they come with puddle lights. The factory mirrors do not have puddle lights, but it is still plug and play. Let me show you the factory mirrors. So I've already done my swap. It took me about 20 minutes. The factory mirrors have the blinkers. Your electrical connection is one connection per mirror with 3 studs per mirror. And you can see. Now the Trail Ridge mirrors were a direct bolt-in. It was as simple as pulling 3 screws off the inner door panel and then 3 nuts off the mirrors and 1 electrical connection. When you do this, there is a bolt in here, a bolt behind the door handle, and then if you come down here, you can see there is a 6mm bolt down there. And then once this panel comes off, you'll see the stud sticking through. Unfortunately, I did my swap before I decided to review them, but after several hundred miles, these mirrors look great. As you can tell, they slide out manually and slide in. I don't notice any shake at highway speeds. You have your blind spot mirror, your power mirror, your blinker, and then if you look under here, you got your puddle light. Fit and finish is like OEM quality. There's no issues, and you can see it all the way around. And come over to the passenger side, I'll show you fit and finish on that one. Once again, your fit and finish is like OEM quality. And then once again, still manual slide. The blind spot mirror is a manual adjustment, while the upper mirror is electronic. And like I said before, OEM style blinkers. The added bonus of a puddle light underneath. If you're looking at setting up an F150 as a tow rig, I highly recommend the Trail Ridge mirrors. They run about $190 for the pair. I got mine on Amazon, and they come packaged really nice. They come in a heavy duty box, and inside the box, each mirror is in their own individual box, and then the mirrors are also wrapped in a cloth bag to keep them from getting scratched, damaged. So if you guys are looking for a great mirror for your truck, give a look at the Trail Ridge tow mirrors.